Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Big heavy band of lake effect snow continues to affect just a few areas. We're talking Ottawa County, Muskegon County, up to Oceana and Mason. This is one of those things that many people in the country don't know how to deal with. Bands of heavy lake effect snow. We're seeing quiet conditions across much of West Michigan. Grand Haven visibility slowly improving as this band continues to creep northward. Now it's beginning to enter into Muskegon with even heavier snow, where we have reporter Katani Gooch, and eventually Whitehall looking like you're going to start to see some of those accumulations stack up. This is the past 6 hours, so you can see the trend, how it's been unloading on Grand Haven, but moving north away from Holland and starting to creep up the lakeshore. We expect heavy totals overnight tonight with this lake effect snow band. Everyone else in West Michigan, some flurries to light stuff, but no alerts in place. It's the winter storm warnings from Ottawa County to the north and a winter weather advisory for places like Fremont. So here's a look at the official winter alerts from our friends at the National Weather Service. These both expire at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Close to the lakeshore, we expect a good widespread 6-inch base and some spots closer to about 8 to 12 inches of snow. If the snow band stalls overnight tonight, it could drop even more. So again, it's almost akin to a fire hose, very targeted, very intense snow compared to the areas around it. Here's a look at our snow futurecast and forecast through early Tuesday morning. Everyone outside of this region, again, a trace to maybe 2 inches at most, but inside this zone, we could see 6 to 12 inches of fresh snow. Travel conditions for folks under the winter storm warning, not good overnight tonight. Again, meteorologist Blake Harms issuing school closing prediction. You can check that out now at woodtv.com. But travel is going to be exceptionally difficult until we get to about 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then starting to improve by the time we get to the afternoon. This was before the snow even really moved in a heavy way in the Muskegon area, and it already looks pretty dicey. Visibility, a good tool on days like this to let us know where the most intense snow is falling. Again, really centralized around those lakeshore areas. Once you climb even a good 20 miles inland, you're seeing clear conditions, even though we have this wave of light snow that's tracking through. So overnight tonight, most of the focus is on the winter storm area. Here's your futurecast. Notice how your futurecast wants to take the snow band and push it up into Ludington for a bit, potentially giving Grand Haven and Muskegon a little bit of a break as we get closer to midnight. Then after midnight, we expect the band to move back on shore with some snowfall finally rolling into the Holland area by tomorrow morning before gradually dissipating. Now, this is one of a few snow events we're expecting this week. Wednesday, quick wave. It's looking like maybe 1 to 3 inches at most. And then Saturday into Sunday, we're watching yet another chance with conditions staying cold. Stick